Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset AirPods from the previous owner. Now, these are my AirPod Pro, but let's say you just got new AirPods, maybe on Craigslist or eBay or Facebook Marketplace, and they're still linked to the previous owner. You can always choose to reset those. You'll be able to see if I open up the lid, it connects to Trevor's AirPod Pro. And if I tap on settings here, and then I go to Bluetooth, there are my AirPods Pro, and you can see I'm connected to it. Now, if these are yours, you can just go in here, and then once you're in Bluetooth, at the very bottom, you can see I can choose to forget this device. And essentially, it will unlink these AirPods from this iPhone. However, let's say you just got these AirPods and you wanted to reset them. There are a couple different ways that you can do that depending on which AirPods they are. Now you can see if I close this and I show you the back, it might be hard to see, but on the back, right under the hinge, is a little white button. So you can see that white button is kind of hidden, but just look to see if there's a white button there. If you do have a white button on the back, all you need to do is press and hold on that white button. So let's open up the case here, and I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to press and hold on that white button. You'll be able to see the logo here is white, but you can see I can just keep holding it, and it will go through the process of starting to blink, and it's blinking white, but I'm going to just continue to hold that until it starts to blink amber, just like that. And then it'll go back to white, just so keep holding it until you do a factory reset on those AirPods. And after you do the factory reset on the AirPods, you can just close the case. Let's close out of here, open it up again, and it'll be as if you just bought them. However, let's say you don't have a button in the back. Let me get out of here. Another thing, so this is the old version. These are a few years old, maybe 3 years old. Newer AirPods have a touch button on the front. And essentially what it says is you're going to open the lid and you're going to double tap on the front. So if you double tap the front and you see that little light change, you're going to basically double tap it again when it flashes white, double tap it a third time when it flashes faster, and then when it starts to flash amber, and then basically you're going to double tap it again, and it will factory reset those AirPods. So essentially you can go through the process of doing that, and then once you open them back up again, you'll be able to automatically reconnect to those AirPods from your iPhone, your iPad, etc. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.